Hi, and welcome to this video series on Moodle Quiz. In this video, we will go over what the Moodle Quiz activity is and how you can use it in your course. Moodle Quiz is an activity that allows you to administer formative and summative assessments to students. Just as you would give a test, quiz, or exam in your seated class, you can do the same in Moodle. You can create quizzes that act as exams, that do quick checks of knowledge, or that even help with self-assessment. You can include questions that are multiple choice, true-false, fill in the blank, matching, and many more question types that can be auto-graded in Moodle. You can also include essay questions that will have to be manually graded by an instructor. You can schedule quizzes to open and close on specific dates, set conditions for completion, and set a time limit for taking a quiz. Creating a Moodle quiz is a two-part process. First, you'll create the face of the quiz by creating the quiz container and establishing settings. The second part of creating a quiz is adding questions to the quiz. We will go through the steps for each part of the process in subsequent videos. We will also cover how to import quiz questions, how to manually grade quiz questions, how to allow extra time for quizzes, and more. Follow along in this series to learn more about Moodle Quiz.